Hi guys, today I have this wig from UNice hair. It is a pre-cut 6x4.5, edges already slayed. You don't have to worry about none of that. So it came with some clips, some nails, a wig band, a whole lot of goodies for you to look good and feel good when and after you install that wig. I would say this wig is very breathable. It comes with 3 clips and it also had a band in it, but I'm part of the big head committee, so I took that out. I've been wearing this hair for about 2.5 weeks now. I take it off at night, and not to mention, I haven't even washed the hair yet. Like, this hair literally is so beautiful. All I've done is put water in it and mousse, and it has lasted. The curls are so fluffy and just flow, and when the hair dries, it looks just as good as when it's wet. I'm just positioning it on my head so I can get it how I like. It is a middle part, but you can wear it as a side part. Right now I'm just combing it back so I can see the edges more clearly, and I'm clipping it back with the clips that they sent me. Those came in handy. Now I'm taking some mousse and an eyebrow spoolie because that is what works for me. Use an edge brush, a toothbrush, whatever you think you can maneuver best to get your edges great. Now I'm just unclipping my hair so that I can split it into 4 sections, and then I add water and mousse. That's what works best for me, and I start from the ends and work my way up, and I use just a regular brush.